Hello dear students, in the previous video of reproduction, we have discussed about binary fission and multiple fission which takes place in amoeba as well as in plasmodium respectively. Now in this video, we will discuss about the next mode of asexual reproduction, that is budding and fragmentation. What do you mean by the budding? Budding is a mode of asexual reproduction which takes place in lower category of organism, and budding is derived from a word bud. Bud is a secondary outgrowth which is a bulb-like structure, and in the process of budding, then secondary outgrowth, this bulb-like structure is itself a mode of reproduction. It generally takes place in yeast and hydra-like organisms. Let us consider an example of yeast. This is an yeast cell, and when this yeast cell is fully mature, then a new bud formation takes place in the surface of the yeast cell. Afterwards, this bud will mature and develop completely. Afterwards, one bud is divided into so many buds, and the chain of buds are formed. And these buds are itself a new offspring. Therefore, the production of new offspring takes place by the help of a bulb-like structure called bud. Such method of asexual reproduction is called budding. तो बडिंग में हमने क्या देखा, एक सेल है ना, and that cell at first will completely grow and completely mature. Afterwards, on the surface of this cell, a new bud formation takes place, a new bulb-like structure will grow. That bulb-like structure is called a new bud. Afterwards, this new bud will completely develop and forms a chain of bud. Such mode of reproduction in which a new bud is itself a new baby or a new offspring, such mode of reproduction is called budding. Takes place in yeast, and it also takes place in hydra-like organism. Afterwards, when we discuss about fragmentation, fragmentation is a mode of asexual reproduction which is derived from a word fragment. What do you mean by the word fragment? Fragment means pieces, tukda, है ना? Fragment, that is tukda, pieces, and it is a mode of asexual reproduction in which an organism is divided into small pieces. These are the small fragments, these are the small pieces, and each pieces is itself a new offspring. जैसा कि Spirogyra में हो रहा है. Spirogyra is an algae. क्या ये algae है? Algae, as you all know, these are found in the aquatic habitat, and this Spirogyra is divided into three different parts. See here, this is the part 1, part 2 and part 3. That means Spirogyra is divided into three small pieces, and these three small pieces are itself a new offspring. जहां जहां से इसका टुकड़ा होगा, है ना, वो टुकड़े ही क्या है, न्यू ऑफस्प्रिंग, है ना. तो Spirogyra is a type of alga in which fragmentation occurs. Fragmentation, that is, only one parent is required, and the body of organism, the small fragment of an organism is itself a mode of reproduction and itself a new offspring. So, what is the concept of budding and fragmentation? In budding, when an organism, a single cell organism, is completely developed, no? And after the development of that organism, a secondary outgrowth is formed. जब ये सेल पूरी डेवलप हो जाएगी, तो ये सेल के बाहर क्या ग्रो होगा, एक सेकेंडरी आउटग्रोथ ग्रो होगा. दैट सेकेंडरी आउटग्रोथ इज कॉल्ड बड, एंड दिस बड इज इटसेल्फ अ न्यू ऑफस्प्रिंग. किसी किसी केस में क्या होता है, बड जो है वो डिटैच हो जाता है ऑर्गेनिज्म से और अपनी नई लाइफ स्टार्ट कर देता है, और किसी किसी केस में ये चेन के फॉर्म में अटैच होते हैं, है ना. सो हाउ वी विल डिफाइन बडिंग? Budding is a mode of asexual reproduction in which parental body forms a bulb-like structure called bud, and that bud is itself a new offspring, and it takes place in yeast. It also takes place in hydra. Afterwards, fragmentation. Fragment means tukda, pieces, no? When a complete parent is divided into small pieces, small fragments, such small fragments are itself a new offspring. This mode of reproduction is called fragmentation. जो टुकड़े हैं वही नए offspring है ना. This mode of reproduction is called fragmentation. And at the last of this video, I would like to ask you one question that you have to answer the two example of each of the mode of reproduction. That is, you have to write 2 examples of budding and 2 examples of fragmentation in the comment box. Thank you. That's all for this video.